Hey, what's up, everybody? Now today is Friday. Okay, and now you're already in my MT5, still with IC Market and still with me, Martens. Okay, Friday. That's gonna be around several hours before the market is closed. I think it's gonna be another. It's gonna be 4 hours before the market is closed. And for the moment, I have problem with my internet connection. I have problem with internet connection. I cannot see the. Okay, okay. What happened here? Okay, you can see the signal from the connection. The connection is having a little problem. This is what happen if you are living in the third world like me. Sometimes the internet connection just gonna be stop just like that, and then you just have to wait before the internet connection back to normal. Okay, look, guys, everywhere, wherever you are, and now it's Friday, 4 hours to go before the market is closed. I'm going to close my open position because I don't like to keep it stay overnight through Saturday and Sunday. I would prefer to close it because I'm trading with a 4 hours time frame. I think Friday is better. I close the position, and then for next week is gonna be the new opportunity. If there is a new opportunity, I will open a new trade again. But for the moment, I prefer to close my position. For the moment, I have three open position: Euro GBP, Pound Sterling, Singaporean dollar, and Pound Sterling Canadian dollar. Okay. I open with all the same size, 0.03 lot size, and for the moment I'm floating profit $83. Okay, with risk and ratio 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, something like that. I will explain to you one by one so you can see by yourself. Okay, this is the first position that I have, Euro GBP. I put the stop loss level, but I didn't put the take profit level. Normally, I just want to see how the price going before I put the take profit. But if you can see here, okay, it's around 50 pips, 50 pips stop loss. Okay, Euro GBP, the first position, I close it, Euro GBP with the profit $10, Euro GBP. Okay, one down, Pound sterling Singaporean dollar, the second one, pound sterling Singapore, where are you? Okay, pound sterling Singaporean dollar. This is the blue arrow is the candle where I open the profit. When I open the profit, sorry, where I open the trade, and now floating around 90 pips. Okay, around 90, 80 pips. So we'll close it with the profit $22. Okay. Come. Okay, this already goes. The internet connection is back to normal, but somewhere I need to wait. Okay, this already okay goes. And then the last position that I have is pound sterling Canadian dollar. Pound sterling Canadian dollar. Okay, this is already around 200 pips, 200 pips, 200 pips. Okay, I'm going to close this one with $49 profit. Okay, I close all, check the history. Okay, 1, 2, 3, close all. So this moment I don't have any open trade left. All the position is clear, so I can sleep tight Saturday and Sunday, and Monday or the last week of the January. We will see what will happen. Um, that's it for today. Everybody, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you again next week. I will update the position. I will make a new vlog if I have a new open position. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next vlog. Bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Dankeschön.